Hello and welcome back. Let's see how the transients can be updated. In the last video, we set the transient data by genre taxonomy. Consider this scenario. I have set the transient data for 4 hours, and after setting the transient data into the database, I add a new movie post to one of the genres, let's say drama. I'm creating a new movie post and assigning the drama genre term to that movie. In that case, our latest data won't be available in the transient because the transient data has already been set and it won't expire for up to 4 hours, right? So, before the transient data expires, if a new movie post is added or any existing movie post is updated with the same genre term, then for up to the next 4 hours, we won't have the latest movie post by that genre taxonomy to display on the front end. The natural question that arises is, how do we handle this? The answer is we delete the transient data and let the transient set again with the new values. Whenever a movie post is saved, we can use the save post type action. I have implemented this in my movie.php file where I registered the movie post types and other meta boxes. Here, I added an action to delete the transient when a movie post is saved. We don't want to delete the transient if it's an autosave or revision, so I simply return it in that case. Then, once the movie is updated or added, the transient is deleted. Next time, it will need the values to fetch all the genre terms assigned to that movie and construct the transient name dynamically, therefore saving the transient with the updated values. I am using MLB latest movies by genre. The transient name is constructed dynamically based on the genre term, and I use the delete transient function with the transient name. So, whenever a new movie post is added, and if that movie post has the drama genre terms assigned, it will delete the transient data stored for the drama taxonomy. Now, let's test this. If I go here and update or add a new movie, for example, test movie, and assign the drama genre term, I can publish it. If I go to the database and refresh, the transient data is gone. When I go to the second movie post and refresh, it will say transient data saved and it will get the latest movie post ID. This way, we can delete the transient data and update the transient with the latest data without waiting for the transient to expire. This is especially useful with dynamic transient names, which is why we need to handle it this way. The dynamic portion of the hook name, transient, refers to the transient name. If it were a static transient name, we could simply call the function on the same post save action and delete the transient without worrying about dynamically constructing the name. The delete transient function only requires the transient name and performs certain actions, including deleting the data from the object cache if it's installed. If not, it deletes the data from the options table. This way, we can use the transient data. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Chat WordPress.